Cadillac ATS 2013 2.5. Same ordinary engine. The first thing is, this thing has a hidden catch can that was just installed, but you can never tell without knowing. I'll show you exactly how it's done. Well, how it was done. Let's see. Take the lid off. Hide that first, just to be surprised. Air cleaner out. All the original lines, no new lines except for new lines. There's no special fittings. And there she is, catch can. So I put the half-inch heater hose, spliced it into the original line, plastic fitting crimp, 90-degree elbow. And the second one went directly into the original line, so I don't have to get any extra special fittings or whatever. They're all routed to the passenger side. Neat and discreet. There you go, catch can 2.5 Cadillac.